Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they were higher on Thursday, with the Dow Jones closing 400 points higher as tech leads the market rebound. Shares in automobiles and components, software and services, and retailing sectors, they all pushed the indices higher, while on the economic docket, initial jobless claims reaching 215,000 in the weekend at October 20th, in line with expectations. Continuing claims slightly diminishing to 1.636 million in the week ended October 13th. Wholesale inventory is improving by 0.3% month over month in a preliminary estimate in September, while durable goods orders increasing 0.8% in September. Pending home sales improving 0.5% in September month over month, all while advancers ahead of decliners. 80% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Amazon.com reporting third quarter diluted EPS of $5.75 versus 52 cents a year ago on net sales of $56.58 billion. Net sales in Amazon Web Services, AWS, growing 45.7% year over year to $6.68 billion. Intel unveiling third quarter adjusted EPS of $1.40 versus $1.01 a year ago on revenue up 19% year over year to $19.16 billion. Gross margin on an adjusted basis improving to 65.9% versus 64% in the third quarter 2017. And Alphabet reporting that third quarter EPS rose 36.5% year over year to $13.06 on revenue ex-TAC of $27.2 billion. Net profit jumping nearly 37% to $9.19 billion as overall revenue grew 21% versus 24% the same period 1 year ago. Turning overseas, Asian markets lower today. The Nikkei down 0.4%, the Hang Seng down 1.11%. China CSI 300 down 0.65% and South Korea's Kospi down 1.75%. European markets in the red and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Charter Communications third quarter EPS seen at $1.02 on sales of approximately $10.9 billion. Colgate-Palmolive third quarter EPS seen at 72 cents. Moody's third quarter EPS seen at $1.79, while on the economic docket 8:30 in the morning we have adjusted personal consumption and adjusted GDP for the third quarter. 10 o'clock sees the University of Michigan consumer sentiment read for October, while in the markets the SP 500 is where we begin. That is seen extending its decline, and it's also in focus as the index is capped by its declining 20 and 50-hour moving averages and the declining trend line in place since October 19th. Our preference, Trading Central's preference, short positions below 26.93 with targets at 26.52 and 26.33 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, is shifting towards 67.84, while the Dow Jones is at a watch level 24,510.